Who's a monster? Get your toy. Come on. Come on. Get your toy. Ruff, 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 ruff. I'm not gonna bark at? Bacon treats. Dakota. Bacon. The dilemma. Do we eat the bacon or do we get the toy? Frozen bacon. Frozen bacon tastes good. Eat your bacon. Bacon's so good. Bacon and snow, my best friends. Got it? Woof woof, want more? Sit. 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 Bark. You want some? You want some? You want some? Bark. All right. Hand. Okay. Nah, sit down. Hand. Good girl, good girl. Okay, ready? Up. Up, up. Jump. Jump. Up, up. Up. Snowing with the dog. Eat it all? Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. No, it's over here by the gate. It's over by the gate. Dakota. It's right there. It's right there. Dakota, turn around. There you found. That's it. No, it's there. We're not talking bacon. We're not talking bacon. What's wrong with you? Yeah, yeah. Bark, bark, bark. Get your toy. Good girl, good girl. Give it to me. It's frozen on my hand. No.